So to make sure that we can also edit all our data through the admin panel, which I of course want to do, I don't want to use the shell for all of that, and I don't want to build my own panel. To make sure we can use the built-in panel, we go to Admin-py, and there you learned that we need to register our models. So first of all, we import them. From .models, we simply import the post, the author, and the tag. And then down there, we can call admin site register for the post. And repeat that for author and for tag. Now we could add such a model admin class if we needed to add extra configuration, and we might do this later, but for the moment I just want to register all these models, and we can then fine-tune the admin interface and the admin panel later anyways. So now, with that saved, it's now time to make and run the migrations, to create a super user, and then to start managing some data before we then make sure that we also query that data in our views and we output it correctly.